Arrays contain multiple items in a list. In Make, arrays have specific mapping behavior. Let me show you what happens. Here's some data about an event, and we can see it contains an array of hosts, including the name and email of each host. First, let's try mapping the entire hosts array to our Google Sheets module. And we can see Make has converted the whole array into text. One big block of JSON inside one single cell, not very useful. Instead, let's try mapping an individual field inside that array. So I'm going to remove the hosts array and instead select the name here inside the hosts array. Hit save and let's run this again. And now in the next row of our Google Sheet, we see we only get Sarah Chen, which is the first host in our array. And this is the default behavior in Make. When you map an individual field inside an array, Make will only select the very first item. But you can also specify which item you want. You see these square brackets here? I can actually click in between them. And if I write the number 2, let's try this again. And now we're getting Marcus Johnson, the second host. You can use iterators or functions to access and format specific data within an array. Now, it's a bit too advanced for this video, but here's an example where we can join all 3 host names separated by a comma. So to recap, mapping the array itself maps the entire array. Selecting individual fields gives you one item at a time. And you can use functions or iterators for more advanced processing.